Hey everyone, John from ViewSonic here, and today I'd like to walk you through how to modify the modes and settings on your ViewSonic CDE31 display after you've walked through the wizard. Let's say you need to repurpose the display or move it to a new location and that requires some settings changes. Let's walk through how to do that without the need to factory reset the display and walk through the wizard again. On your remote, we're going to use the 3-line menu button at the top right corner of the direction pad to access the on-screen display settings. And from here you can modify a lot of different things, but the ones we're interested in are down here under the Advanced tab. And if you remember from our setup wizard, all of those settings are now available here to be modified as needed. Let's say you needed to repurpose this from signage into maybe a Microsoft Teams room or Zoom room display. Well, in that case, we don't want it to be in hibernate mode. We want it to be in sleep mode. So all of those settings from the wizard are exposed here under the on-screen display menu, Advanced tab, and available for you to change and reconfigure as needed for whatever your particular use case is.